Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a freelancer on Upwork, getting paid is the best part of the gig, but transferring that hard-earned money to your bank can sometimes feel like a hassle. In this video, we'll cover the updated process for 2025, which includes some new features for faster and safer transfers. Whether you're a newbie or just need a quick refresh, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Upwork account. Head over to the dashboard and click on the Wallet section. It's usually in the top menu. This is where all your available funds are displayed. Now, for 2025, Upwork has rolled out a streamlined interface, so it should look cleaner and more intuitive. Next, locate the Withdraw Funds button. Click on that, and you'll see a list of withdrawal options. The most common one is direct bank transfer, but you might also see new integrations like instant crypto options or enhanced PayPal links. Select your preferred method, in this case, bank transfer, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be a minimum threshold, which is typically around $10, but check the details on your screen. Now, you'll need to input your bank details. If you've added your bank before, it should auto-populate, but if not, enter your account number, routing number, and any other required info. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Nothing worse than a mix-up holding up your money. Once you're ready, hit the Confirm Withdrawal button. Upwork will process your request, and in 2025, expect quicker turnaround times, often within 1 to 2 business days thanks to their improved systems. Keep an eye out for any confirmation emails or notifications. A quick pro tip: always be aware of any fees involved. Withdrawal fees can vary based on your location and method, so factor that into your plans. If you run into issues, like a pending status, check Upwork's Help Center or contact support. They're usually pretty responsive. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your money from Upwork to your bank. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and with these 2025 updates, it's even smoother. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more freelancing tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.